the word that can evoke fear, disappointment, and even shame. But in the symphony of human existence, its delicate melody waves its way into the hearts of dreamers and believers. It reveals the counters of our character and illuminates the path to greatness. So, let us love that word, failure. Because in those moments of failure, our true character is tested and our capacity for resilience is revealed. So, it is not the end, it is merely a stepping stone on the path to success. Life is an unpredictable journey filled with highs and lows, successes and setbacks. However, it is not the failure itself that defines us, but rather how we choose to respond to it. It is during these challenging times that our strength, determination, and resilience are put to the test. Bouncing back after a failure requires a mindset of unwavering belief in ourselves and our abilities. It requires us to acknowledge our mistakes, learn from them, and then rise above them. It is the ability to learn from the failure that transforms it from a stumbling block into a stepping stone. Take a moment to reflect on some of the greatest achievements in history. The most celebrated individuals, whether they are athletes, artists, or entrepreneurs or leaders, have all experienced failure. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, once said, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." These words capture the essence of resilience. Michael Jordan's success was not solely defined by his remarkable talent, but rather by his ability to bounce back after each failure, to maintain his focus and determination, and to keep pushing forward. It is this tenacity that sets apart those who embrace the failure as an opportunity for growth. In the face of failure, we must find the strength to rise again, to dust ourselves off, and to keep moving forward. Embracing the failure as a necessary part of the journey allows us to develop resilience, character, and wisdom. It enables us to build the necessary skills and knowledge to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Through failure, we learn to unlock our true potential. So, my dear friends, when you encounter failure on your path, remember the words of Sir Winston Churchill, who once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts." Embrace the failure, learn from it, and let it propel you forward. Bounce back with resilience and determination, for greatness awaits those who are not afraid to stumble along the way. Thank you very much for your valuable time.